Hello, hello, Baldo LaRussa with the SoldByBaldo team at Keller Williams Legendary. So if we've done business before in the past, most likely you received one of these during the holiday time. So if you haven't used it yet, I'm about to give you a great recipe. Ingredients that we'll be using today are heavy cream, vanilla extract, egg, cinnamon, sugar, a pinch of salt, butter, powdered sugar, whipped cream, and strawberries if you'd like. Okay, so we're gonna add our vanilla extract to our heavy cream. All ingredients will be listed at the end of the video. We're also gonna add 1 egg, our cinnamon, sugar, and a pinch of salt. You're gonna whisk that up well. And then we're gonna pour it into a shallow dish. So we're gonna take the panettone, we're gonna put it on its side, and we're gonna slice it. We'll get 4 good pieces out of it. And then we're gonna take the panettone and we're gonna dip it in the liquid that we have prepared. And we're gonna let it soak up for a minute on each side. Flip it, let it soak for another minute. Add butter to the non-stick pan. We have it on a medium-low heat. And we're gonna add the French toast and let it cook nice and slowly. Smells great already. So we'll let it cook on the first side for about 2 minutes, nice and slow, and then we'll flip it and we should have this beautiful color. Okay, so now they've cooked on both sides for about 2 minutes each, and we're gonna plate across. We're gonna add some fresh strawberries to the plate. Could add some fresh whipped cream on top. I like a lot. And then we finish with a little bit of powdered sugar. I hope you enjoy. And if you're thinking about getting one of these panettone, it's simple. All you have to do is call me and I can help you with all your real estate needs. I can help you sell, I can help you buy, I can help you invest. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out at any time, and I would love to deliver one of these to you next year. Thank you.